Rumors suggest Samsung's 2024 flagship, the Galaxy S24 series, will debut as soon as mid-January next year. This means Samsung's next flagship phone is less than 2 months from launch. Unsurprisingly, as we are inching closer to the rumored launch date, more and more leaks about the phone are popping up online. Today's leak gives us our first real-life look at the Galaxy S24 Ultra, complete with its iPhone-style titanium frame and flat display. Ex-user David Martin shared the images of the Galaxy S24 Ultra in what appears to be the titanium gold shade on the platform earlier this month. Looking at them, it's evident that the S24 Ultra will have an even flatter design than the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The phone picture is apparently not a dummy unit, and the display is switched on in one of the photos. While the pictures don't look fake, take them with a pinch of salt, especially because this person has no previous record of leaking unannounced phones. However, the phone's design aligns with the leaked S24 Ultra renders and what we have heard about the phone so far: titanium frame, flat display, and an iPhone-like flat frame. The flat frame could make the S24 Ultra unwieldy to use with one hand, especially with the sharp edges digging into the palm of your hand. Based on all the leaks, Samsung's next flagship phone will be about refinements over the Galaxy S23 Ultra instead of introducing radical changes. Despite the switch to a flat panel, the display size is expected to remain unchanged at 6.8 inches, with the surrounding bezels getting trimmed as well. The panel will apparently hit a peak brightness of 2,500 nits. Internally, rumors suggest the S24 Ultra will use a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chip, which promises to bring a host of on-device AI capabilities apart from the usual performance improvements. Next year's Galaxy S models may welcome a new feature called Samsung GAS, a proprietary generative AI model. Given the current dominance of AI apps like ChatGPT and Google Bard, the introduction of GAS wouldn't be unexpected. It could be an exciting addition to the Galaxy S24 family. Interestingly, Samsung might use its in-house Exynos SoC on the S24 and S24 Plus variants in Europe and Asia, with the Snapdragon chip remaining exclusive to the Ultra. The camera setup is not rumored to see significant changes on the S24 Ultra next year. Samsung seemingly plans to ditch the 10x telephoto shooter for a bigger, higher-resolution 5x sensor. Despite the downgrade in zoom range, the new sensor should capture better photos because of its presumably larger size, allowing it to absorb more light. Still, the shorter focal length could negatively impact photos shot at 50x or 100x zoom. Unless Samsung uses a lot of AI magic, the Galaxy S24 Ultra might not be able to capture moon photos as well as its predecessor. With less than 2 months left for Samsung to possibly unveil its next flagship phone, expect more details about the device to leak in the coming weeks. To keep yourself updated, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out.